This tutorial I would like to talk about permanent table space, and for that first we need to go to the Oracle base directory. So in my case it's inside this A directory, so go inside my base app directory, browse, then here Ora data, and this is the one. So I'm gonna create one table space which will ultimately create one dbf file inside this directory. For that I have already connected as a sys user, and let me repeat the same command. So in this case I'm gonna type new aura dbf file. So let's type new aura, and in this case let's type size as 20, then table space is created. So you can see that file here, new aura.dbf. If you want to know more about Oracle and PL SQL stuff, please follow my next tutorial. Thank you.